JessicaJingH here. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will show you how to make creamy Dijon chicken. With this chicken, this is very versatile recipe. You can pair it. It's either with rice or mashed potato or roasted potato. It will work no matter which way you want to pair it with. But for me, of course, I prefer rice. My family will prefer rice as well. They will probably like it with rice, but my husband and my youngest son Kenneth will like it with mashed potato. I'll show you the step-by-step how to do it, and so stay with me. Come on into my kitchen. Alright folks, let's get started. So here I have 3 chicken breasts, washed, cleaned, and dried it with paper towel, so in that way it doesn't splatter everywhere when you fry them. After you dry your chicken breast with paper towel, season it with sea salt on each side of the chicken breast. Also add a black pepper on each side. So here I don't really have like the specific measurement. I would say about half teaspoon on each side of black pepper and sea salt. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a nonstick pan over medium-high heat. Once the olive oil is heated, add your chicken breast to your nonstick pan and sear it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now, at this point, your chicken breast is not really fully cooked yet as you are searing them, just to get that golden brown color and to look it pretty, and also to achieve the crunchy skin on the outside, but yet it's moist from the inside. So that's the reason why we're searing this chicken breast, and also to lock in the flavor of the chicken. Remove chicken breast from the pan. After searing it for 3 to 4 minutes, cover it with foil, and after that, wash your pan with cold water or just wipe it with paper towel so your pan is clean and dry. Melt the butter in the pan over low heat. Once butter is melted, add 1 tablespoon of flour into the butter and keep stirring at it until you will get this paste consistency, and make sure that the flour is brown so that you will not get that flour taste, Now at this point, as you can see, my flour and butter is melted and turning yellow and pasty. That's the kind of consistency that you want. Now I would say that the next ingredients that you will add here, if you have, I would say add 2 cups of chicken broth. Now, in my case, I don't have chicken broth on hand. I will use 2 cups of cold water instead, and I will add 1 Knorr cubes. So it is not end of the world if you don't have a chicken stock. By all means, use water if you don't have any, about 2 cups of water. And so just for the taste, I added 1 Knorr cubes. Once you've added the nor cubes, keep stirring the sauce and to melt the cubes into the sauce because you don't want a lumpy sauce, right? So make sure that your sauce is smooth. Keep stirring at it until the sauce thicken. And once the sauce is thickened, add 2 tablespoons of French Dijon mustard to the sauce and keep stirring the sauce until the French Dijon mustard is melted and mixed together with the cream sauce. Add your chicken breast that you set aside earlier and put them into the pan and cook it further into a low heat or simmer them. Cover your pan and simmer your chicken breast for 20 to 25 minutes and or until it's cooked. While you are cooking or simmering your chicken breast, now it's time to prepare your vegetable. So first, I have the asparagus here. I'm going to cut all the hard part of the asparagus and then wash them and wipe them with a paper towel. Technically, the chicken is cooked after 10 minutes, but I prefer to cook it longer for 10 to 25 minutes. Then it's totally up to you guys if you want to cook it for 10 minutes. And after that, I will add my 10% or half and half cream, about 3 tablespoons of half and half cream onto the chicken. Once you add the half and half cream, mix the cream and the chicken together. Just slowly stir the chicken with the cream. Flip the chicken as necessary, just to make sure that the chicken is covered with the cream. And then cover the lid of your pan and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, I will use this to garnish my chicken. Using your knife, cut your basil leaves into lengthwise and set it aside. It is now time to remove my cooked chicken from the pan and set them aside. As you can see, the chicken looks perfect. It's really pretty and I cannot wait to show you the finished product. Scoop the sauce and transfer them into the bowl and again set it aside. After you remove the sauce from your pan, wash your pan again and wipe it dry with paper towel. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over a medium heat. When the oil is hot, add your asparagus and season with salt and pepper to taste and let it saute for 7 minutes to cook the asparagus. After 7 minutes of cooking the asparagus, place the vegetables on a plate and arrange the vegetable nicely. Slice your chicken breast crosswise and place them on top of your vegetables. So I just showed you my creamy Dijon chicken, how to cook it step by step. I hope you get to try it yourself. Alright folks, that's it for today and take care. I just thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like. Alright, thank you and bye for now. I will see you again next time. Mwah!